ibintu nawe urakasa mutwe urabisoma ibintu amakuru ufite
umva iyo nuzashizeho Godfather ashyiraho amakuru big guy YouTube urabimuzi ashyiraho amakuru y'ukuri nibyo kandi yabipostinze 4 hours ago tureba avuze ko singer Weasel is free to have broken both legs and is hospitalized in Zambia hospital. Allegedly, his wife Teta Sandra intentionally knocked him down somewhere in Munyonyo.
Okay. So ahangaha muri kumva rero ngibi akiziritse ku muhoro kasiga kawuciye yamuhitanye yamugonze ngamuvuna amaguru Teta Sandra ubu turi kuvugana afungiye kuri polisi Zambia
nongeye nibitse abanyarwanda bakurikiye hano kuri space ko uwadari we munyarwandakazi wa mbere ugonze umugabo hano i Bugande hari n'undi wamugonze we bamuhaye lifetime prison ntabwo azapfa avuye mu mugore mwinshi utagira uko azi nawe yagonze umugabo we bapfa ibintu nk'ibyo byo mu mabara
umugabo arapfa
ahita apfiraho kandi n'umwana w'umukire byatari uyu mugabo wahoze ari perezida w'abanyarwanda mu Bugande umusaza w'inzobe muremure umuhungu we.
Okay. So kuri TikTok reka message mvanye Bugande kuri nyiri kabari ahantu barwaniye dore ngibi ibyandikiye musome urukumva wenda muragenda musunika urukumva narambye ngo this is hagira unsomera Kenzo urahari musome hanga murebe munsomere murebe kuri TikTok ngaya makuru Mungu wangu mwabibonye
ariko iyi intentionally kandi barwanye ubuse simvuga
no it's not attention aho ngaho uri kubyitiranya wowe uyu nguyu ni nyirakabari kandi ni umunyarwanda nazo no bari kubeshera umukobwa mugenzi wabo
nakumukobwa he is Shan owner of the Shan bar whose wife Sandra knocked him ari ijambo riri inyuma ndikubona okay ntabwo ari intentional ni intentional ni
intentional yego
nibyo no say intentional gute kandi babanje kurwana
no kurwana muri uko kurwana umwe akajya mu modoka baravuga ko Sandra yinjiye mu modoka
wenda ashaka kwivumbura nko kugenda
buretse gato aramugonga aramuhusha asubira inyuma aramugonga amuvuna amaguru
intentional sorry I was confused is arrested
ku bushake no sense agasaga namaze kabiri muri Amerika
itonde intentional na intentional what I mean
the last queen
arame
mu binyamakuru biri aho ngaho nsomera undebere ni bande bari kwivuga bukegera avuga iki mutubwire nimero ya Sandra tutabona ntabiri gucamo nyihamagarika ndebe
use acha muri kuri polisi
Mungu wangu ndapfuye Godfather. Quindi ufite nimero y'amacari?
Aya ntabwo nifite. Ariko nayishaka.
Uramuzi wari kukubwira perezida wa diaspora mwadufashije mu kibazo cya Sandra bushize.
Ndamwibuka nyine. Ariko ngo muri perezida wa diaspora heza hano. Aya ntabwo nzifite ariko nazishaka. Wahamagaye se Gashumba. Ati ntabwo biza Gashumba.
Zande mpa nimero y'Agashumba ahubwo mpa nimero y'Agashumba.
Okay, I got you.
Inyereze kuri WhatsApp mpa nimero y'Agashumba. Ahubwo ako kantu. Mpa nimero y'Agashumba. Urakoze cyane.
Reka data ndi kuyishaka.
Yohereze Gashumba ibingibi Gashumba siwe utajya ariko se ntabwo Gashumba ubu ntabwo aryamye mu maguru y'umugore we ko yashorase umugore ubu ngubu ntari kubona.
Masaba yabyutse.
Gashumba baraye ku gitsina gishyashya amasa ntabwo arabyuka. Yimpe mpa nimero y'Agashumba muhamagare. Murabona twaryamye. Baba we. Mungu wangu. So kuri TikTok rero reka babwire ngo ndapfuye. Yampaye batangiye kumpa amafoto. Ngaya amafoto yuko byagenze.
Godfather ndayikoherereje.
Wayimpaye kuri WhatsApp?
Yeah.
Iyo ngusabye nimero uyimpa isevinze. Uyimpa isevinze.
Ngo nyiguye isevinze bikanga, I'm sorry.
Uburetse. Gashumba sana.
Yes.
Yeah, good morning, sir.
Morning.
Yeah, going by the name Godfather. I'm a blogger from Rwanda, from Kigali. We need to ask about Sandra Teta. Amakuru yabyutse muri iki gitondo, abyutse ari igikuba ko tugerageje gufata amakuru ariko ndavuga nko ndatekereza ko you can.
You need to do what?
We need to know about Sandra. Sandra, ibyo bazi kutubwira bya Sandra ko yagonze umugabo we, ayo makuru aba yamenye. Wayatubwiraho?
Who is Sandra?
Sandra Teta, the Weasel. Is it Weasel Manizo's wife?
What's the problem?
They say the last night at the midnight yamugonze, like yamugonze n'imodoka aramugonga cyane ku buryo nizo ari mu bitaro et puis Sandra afungiwe in Zambia.
Who knocked Sandra?
Yes.
Sandra, who knocked your
Sandra knocked his husband. Her husband, sorry. Then Sandra neba mutwara Sandra nizo neba mutwara mu rwariro, then Sandra she's in prison, ari mu police Zambia. Yes. Then like here in Rwanda we have no more information apart of that. We tried to contact the people, even we contacted the OC to Zambia police, and he was confirmed. And I tried to contact the owner of the bar called the Shan, and I can send you the number. Then the Shan confirm. Here I have the message. He say, yes, this is Shan, the owner of Shan Bar. Weasel wife Sandra knocked him intentionally. Then
So what do you want me to do?
we wanna know more information.
No, my brother, for me, my area of concern is not people who fight in the bars. Let them kill themselves. Okay? You've heard?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
I spoke to one official at the Rwanda High Commission like 2 years ago regarding the relationship of Weasel and that young girl.
Yes, sir.
Because I hear they were fighting every day.
Yes.
So if they knocked themselves, one is in prison, one is in a hospital, oh my God. Why would even Gashumba get involved in bar fights?
Sir, you are not involved. Like, you are the one, like I say, maybe he's the person.
I don't know. My brother, it's even news to me.
Okay.
It's news to me. You cannot take a drugs, marijuana, waraji, beer, every tribe or every type of alcohol, and you want innocent people like Gashumba to get involved. You get it?
So we need your help, Yariko.
There is nothing good in alcohol. You can even record me. There is nothing good in alcohol. If Teta or Weasel was involved in a normal accident, we can go in and help. You get it?
Yes, sir.
But you cannot drink yourself silly and you wake up people at 3 a.m. Urumva?
Yes, sir.
That's it. Stay well.
Thank you so much.
If one dies, we shall pray for him.
Huh?
Hey.
So the last time when you were talking to that person, you told me I'm the one who was like trying to do the advocacy to bring her back home in Rwanda.
Yes.
And that I was successful. I do it on Twitter because I am the host on Twitter on X Spaces, and I was trying my best until we get the ticket from Rwanda. Then she was going back in Rwanda. In a few days, we see Sandra Teta. She's back in Uganda. So now I'm confused. I say, okay, what is going on? Is she okay? Is her husband? It's okay. So that's why I'm sorry for disturbing you, but I say you are our brother from on that side.
I agree 100%. We are brothers.
Yes.
But what do we do to mad people? We take them to mental centers.
Oh my God.
Yes. What do we do? What do we do? Now, if Weasel dies, they're going to charge her with the murder. Simple. She goes to prison and she serves a jail sentence. Because they don't listen. What do we do? What do we do to people who don't listen?
So did you, like, as a father, did you try, like, I mean, in a few days, like, did you try to talk to those young people? Did you try to talk to them? Because trying to...
First of all, Weasel is not younger. Weasel I think is like 40 years. He's not young. You get it? He's not young.
But Sandra, she's younger.
She's younger, but she decided to get herself into drugs, alcohol, and the rest, and I hear stupid love.
True.
If she spends some time in jail, what you will get her off her mind, then she realizes that we did our best. What do we do? What do we do if people don't listen to us? Tell me, what do we do? There's no prison where I can jail them.
True.
If she knocked him and the Weasel dies, they are going to charge her with murder. Then she serves a jail sentence in Uganda.
Yeah.
You remember that young girl in Rwanda, this former Miss Rwanda, how she was driving recklessly?
Yeah, I remember. Yeah, I remember. The Miss Rwanda,
and she was arrested. You think does she still drive under the influence of alcohol?
She have become Gimurokore.
We need more of them.
We need more of them.
Amazing, gorgeous young girl. I hear the president said that they had arrested her countless times and they would caution her.
Oh my God.
Then the president said, enough is enough.
Yeah.
If I have any news, I'll keep you posted.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
All right.
Okay. Mwanjiji mwe. Hanyuma nagiye. No. Stop calling me. Live. Kote fane zombie. We're just trying. Remember? urumva nyuma y'ibingibi Gashumba we yarakaye Teta gukumanya tiyagaro kumanya give me a second noneho abanyamakuru bo mu Rwanda uramuhamagara babikeka ibyaha uragihamagara kikaza gukebaguza niba uri kuri live mwamwikeka iki mwamutiye iki thank you the last queen thank you for sending me the number
Godfather nkweze nizagaje ko gaje ari umujama wabawize byanze bikunze yababizi
inde
Kid Gaje
oya Kid Gaje yakoze zimpe Kid Gaje umureke Kid Gaje sungona ntabwo yagize zimpe ariko zohereze nyaruka turakura ntimubyumvishe Gashumba yararakaye ntabwo ashaka kongera kumva Teta Rwanda rweje twararanye amajoro hano ariko twohereje umuntu kuri polisi twohereje umuntu kabaragara kujyayo reka manza agereyo twumva abivuga ariyo ngo fake love Gashumba nta miyaga bro Gashumba barabaga Gashumba nta kinya Gashumba rakubaga Gashumba nta miyaga
Godfather kuri dashboard rero ifoto ya kabiri iriho wa mugore namushizeho nawe avuga ko yishe umugabo we atabigendereye just nawe ngo yashaka kumugonga maybe amugira ikimuga
mutinga Mike
Hello?
Yo, big man, good morning.
Morning, boss.
Yeah, good. This is Godfather. Ushobora kuba utanzi. Nubwo mbere mvuganye nawe. Bite?
Nakuzi boss wanjye.
Cyangwa kanyita kasa mutwe umeze gute musa?
Neza kabisa amakuru.
Yeah, ni fresh. Here's the thing. Amakuru ndashaka kujya ngumpe kuri aya makuru ndafata hana hari amakuru ya Sandra Teta bimeze bitaho hakurya.
Just nanjye ukuntu mbibonye nibwo narimo mfungura link hano.
Yego.
Sindabisoma ariko mbonye bavuga ngo isize imbere kwanye n'umugabo akaba yamugonze sinzi.
Ngerageje kuvugana n'umuntu wo ku kabari kabo ahantu bari ngo bahita Shinies, is it Shinies? Yo, Shinies bar rero boss wayo ni umunyarwanda. Numukobwa w'umunyarwanda exactly kuko nsanze nimero nsanzwe nyifite nigeze kwivuganaho na no bita Biju so ambwiye ko yamugonze intentionally yabikoze abishaka so Sandra arafunzwe hanyuma noneho nizo ari mu bitaro kandi ndabizi kuri inshuti zabo barabajama so ndavuze ko soma kuri ntiwaba uyafite ariko niba utayafite you can be one of
just nanjye narimbyutse mbonye ari umunyamakuru w'inanga witwa Kasuku
Gasuku ndamubona umugande
Kazugu ni wari nari mfunguye link yo kuri YouTube avuga ko Sandra ibintu byiwe n'umugabo we bimeze nabi yamugonze.
Thank you.
Bahora mu ntambara bwo ngubwo bari afite ibyo yamukoze umugore arakara we.
Okay. So tubariza amakuru musa turaza kuvugana ubwo.
Sawa musaza. Nyina nimero ya maranyishaka turavugana.
Po.
Sawa, thanks.
Kiti gajo nta makuru afite nawe. Twagiye reka nzenge handi.
Hari indi nimero nguhaye y'umushiti wa Shani. Muhamagare wa nyuma nawe n'umunyarwanda umubaza amakuru arayaguha.
Kandi maze kuvugana na Shani ku giti cye Shani amaze kumbwira amaze kunsobanurira uko byagenze. Ose kashyizeho aya mavideo koko. Yewe. Bakobwa bato mwashatse abana mwiganye muri segondere mwasangiye imyumbati mwafunganye inguni bakabarongora mukajya guhinga makadamiya kumukamira mukaba muri ibintu byo kujya gushaka ibyamamare kandi mudashobotse. Singibi dore Gashumba ni uhagarariye abanyarwanda b'Ibugande murebe ngo ntimushaka ngo murashaka ibyamamare murashaka abantu bakoze ikofi dore muhindutse ibyihebe. Sandra Teta yari umukobwa mwiza wagiye muri Miss Rwanda wari ufite buri kimwe ariko abanyarwanda mwaramubuye dore Sandra Teta ya Weasel gore. Sandra Teta
muri Miss Rwanda Godfather yabaye Miss SFB.
Ceceka ukigira icyano rega nawe uri mukuru n'ubwo wita umwana bakuzura.
Kuri yabaye Miss SFB.
Ku imiterere yawe itakwemera kujya.
Sandra Teta.
Ko imiterere yawe ntabwo yakwemera kujya muri Miss Rwanda ceceka ntabwo ibintu byabo bisubizi wowe. So abanyarwandakazi ibi ngibi nibyo babwira ngo oya ntabwo ndi kukubwira nabi kandi waje kumfasha uri kumfasha gushaka amakuru. Twohereje umuntu kabaragara kuri polisi tumutegereza agereyo aze tubona amakuru. So abanyarwandakazi mutapinga ntabwo tuza kuva ahangaha tap the screen alizi. So nukuvuga ngo nkuko muri kubibona nukuvuga ngo amakuru aza yabaye abatangiye kuma amafoto natangiye kugira ubwo ko ya postinga. Urumva abagiye guhena muhene abantu mutapinga screen kuri TikTok. Rwanda rwejo waramutse
ngakeye
ngitegereje amakuru y'imva havuye kuri gereza hano Sandra afungiwe ubu turi kuvugana. Nyuma yo kumva iyi nkuru ko nakoze twakoze inkundura ahangaha yo gutabariza uyu mwana akamanuka Gashumba tubiganiriye wumva.
Thank you.
Nubwo abantu
akazapaka mungira kazakica.
Hano none twari dufite ubwoba ko Sandra ashobora kuzicwa na Nizo ahubwo Sandra azica Nizo.
Wirukana umugabo kera kari kiruka mu rugo.
Famiye ya Mayanja Sandra yari imaze kuyimetiriza figa yabakubita. Ejo bundi Sandra yafashe umugabo ku kabari ntabwo ariwo yafashe umugabo umugande ku kabari umubawonsa. Sandra mukubita igipfunsi umugabo ahita agwapfukamye bamujyana mu bitaro. Nuvuga ngo muri amezi abiri Sandra arwanye kabiri ngo yakubise umugabo w'umubawonsa aramukubita umugabo buri umwuka.